Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your screen to full screen on your TCL Smart TV. So if for some reason your screen is not covered to the corners and it's not on the full screen mode, what you can simply do is that on your remote you can click on this settings button, and in the settings button you should go to the system settings. From here you should go so in the TV settings you should go to the picture settings that are on the top. So from here you should scroll down and go to advanced settings, and here you should scroll down and go to the screen settings in the bottom of the list. So from here you should go to screen mode, and this is where you can select different aspect ratios that are going to suit your screen. So for example, zoom up is going to zoom it up, and mine is 16:9, so I can simply click on 16:9. So this is how you can change your screen size and select full screen on your TCL Smart TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.